Namaste. Prepare yourself. Stanga opening mantra. Samastiti. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarsita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nisreyase Jangalika Yamane Samsara Halahala Mohashante Abahu Pursakaram Sankichakrasidharinam Sahasra Sirsam Svetam Pranamami Patanjalim Hold on for a second. Simple standing prayer pose. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini inhale head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini inhale, head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Last one. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta jump inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, hands up, समस्तिः. Sunset is B. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set. Exhale. Sapta right leg hands up. Inhale. Asto exhale. Nava inhale. Dasa exhale. Ekadasa inhale, left leg hands up. Dwadasa exhale. Trayodasha inhale. Chaturdasa exhale. Hold, don't move. Look your navel. Once again 5 breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasa inhale, jump forward. Soldasha exhale. Saptadasha inhale, hands up, look your thumb. Samastitihi. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta right leg inhale, hands up. Asto exhale. Nava inhale. Dasa exhale. Ekadasa left inhale, hands up. Dwadasa exhale. Trayodasha inhale. Chaturdasa exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha inhale, jump. Shodasha exhale. Saptadasha inhale, hands up. Samastitihi. Last one. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set. Exhale. Sapta right leg inhale, hands up. Asto exhale. Nava inhale. Dasa exhale. Ekadasa left inhale, hands up. Dwadasa exhale. Trayodasha inhale. Chaturdasa exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, Panchadasha jam, inhale. Sodasha exhale. Saptadasha inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Padangusthasana. Ekam, inhale, hold your toe, big toe. Doi, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini, inhale, exhale, hold. Padahastasana, inhale, ekam. Doi, exhale. Neck straight, length your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini, inhale, exhale. Samastiti. Stand up, close your feet. Uttita Trikonasana, 3 feet only. Ekam, inhale, right leg back. Doi, exhale, hold your right big toe. Hastagra Drishti, look your upper hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, left side. Hastagra Drishti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale, B. Doi, exhale, left hand, cross your right ankle. Look your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini, inhale. Chatwari, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. Samastiti. Uttita Pashukonasana. Ekam, right leg back. Inhale. Doi, exhale. Behind. Look your legs palms. 1. Backside leg strong. 2. 3, 4, 5. Trihini, inhale. Chatwari, left side, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. B. Doi, exhale. Left elbow. Cross your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. पंचा inhale, समस्थिति. प्रसरिता पदुत्थानासना A. एकम inhale, द्वे exhale, drop your hands, keep you parallel. Inhale, head up. त्रीणि exhale, head center, elbow parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चत्वारि inhale, head up, exhale, पंचा inhale, relax. B. एकम inhale, hand shoulder level, come starting position, द्वे exhale, again inhale, त्रीणि exhale, head center, top your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चत्वारि inhale, stand up, exhale. C. एकम inhale, द्वे exhale, interlock behind, again inhale, त्रीणि exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चत्वारि inhale, exhale. D. Inhale, एकम inhale, द्वे exhale, hold your toe, inhale, head up, त्रीणि exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चत्वारि inhale, up, head up, exhale, पंचा inhale, समस्थिति. पार्श्व उत्तानासना. एकम hand back prayer pose, reverse. द्वे exhale, touch nose and forehead. If you can, touch your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. त्रीणि inhale, left side, चत्वारि exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, समस्थितिः पूर्ण मत्स्येन्द्रासना एकम inhale resounds द्वे exhale त्रीणि inhale चत्वारि jump back पंच inhale sit exhale सप्त jump forward sit down Asto exhale put left foot into lotus pose put right foot over left knee turn to the right 5 breathe 1 2 3 4 5 exhale back to the front place hand on ground nava inhale lift up dasa exhale chaturanga dandasana ekadasha inhale dvadasha exhale triyodasha inhale jump exhale put right foot into lotus pose left foot over right knee inhale turn to the left once again 5 breathe 1 2 3 4 5 exhale back to the front hands down pancha inhale lift up shodasha exhale saptadasha inhale astodasha exhale adho svanasana Varinchayasana Saptajam exhale put left foot into lotus put a right leg over the right arms place right foot behind head hand together in front of heart prayer pose 1 2 3 4 5 Nava inhale place right hand back over right leg and left hand down catch your finger 1 2 3 4 5 exhale hand down Dasa inhale lift knee on left upper arms lift up 5 breathe 1 2 3 4 5 Ekadasa exhale lower down slowly jump back Dvadasha inhale Triyodasha exhale Chaturdasha jump left side put right foot into lotus pose place left foot behind head come to prayer pose once again 1 2 3 4 5 Shodasha inhale place hand back and catch your finger slowly 1 2 3, 4, 5. Sapta, inhale, lift up, right knee on right upper arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump back, Asto, exhale. Ekanava, Vimsati, inhale. Vimsati, exhale. Varanchayasana B, Saptajam. Asto, exhale. Place right ball of feet on hip ball. Forjano Sirsasana. Continue to turn right foot, grab left big toe with straight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, forward, down and get down on left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, lift head. Exhale, left foot in lotus posture. Turn to the left right hand under left knee. Left hand grab. Left foot behind the back. 5. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, turn to the front again. Place hand on ground. Dasha, inhale, lift up. Dwadasha, exhale. Dasha, inhale, lift up. Ekadasha, exhale. Dwadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, inhale. Jump forward. Panchadasha, exhale, left side. Place left ball of foot on a hip for Janu Sirsasana. Continue, turn, move forward, hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, forward and get down on right leg. 1, touch your chin. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha, inhale, lift head. Exhale, right foot in lotus posture, turn to the right. Left hand under right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, turn to the front again. Saptadasha, inhale up. Astodasha, exhale. Ekanava, Vimsati, inhale. Vimsati, exhale. Dvipada, Viparit Dandasana. Sapta, jump forward. Exhale, drop your knee. Lower head. Asto, inhale. Badahasta Sirsasana. Asto, inhale up. Exhale into back bend until leg are on the ground. Then extend your leg. Leg together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, inhale. Back to the top to Badahasta Sirsasana again. Chin, arms and lift. Dasa exhale, lower down Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha inhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Dwadasha exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekapada Viparit Dandasana. Sapta, jump forward, drop your knee. Exhale, lower down. Asto, inhale, hand chain grip for Baddha Hasta Sirsasana again. Exhale, back bend, leg down slowly. Dvipada Viprada Dandasana. Nava, inhale, extend right leg to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa exhale, lower leg. Ekadasha, extend left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dwadasha exhale, leg down. Triyodasha inhale, again to the top to Baddha Hasta Sirsasana. Chin arms lift. Chaturdasha exhale. Panchadasha inhale. Swadasha exhale. Viprita Salvasana. Exhale Chatwari, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, lift leg. Inhale. 1, knee straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower down slowly, elbow close to the body. Set, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Sapta, inhale. Asto, exhale. Gandhavirindasana. Chatwari, exhale. Lay down. Pancha, inhale, lift leg backward from Viparit Salvasana again. Exhale, back bend, feet close to the head, toward crown. Grab feet with hands. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set. Inhale, lift balance on arms. Sapta, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Asto, inhale. Nava, exhale. Dasa, inhale, jump forward. Ekadasha, exhale. Inhale, lift the head again. Straight spine, palm or fingertips remain on the ground. Exhale, stand all the way. Arms on side, Samastiti. Hanumanasana, Ekam, inhale. Dvi, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sit, exhale. Sapta, inhale. Right leg through arms. Hip parallel forward. Asto, exhale, lower down over right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, lift hand, extend arms. Place hand on ground, exhale. Dasa, inhale, swing into Ekadasha, exhale, Chatwari. Dwadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, inhale. Bring left leg through arms to front. Arms to the top again. Pancha, exhale. Lower down over left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Dasha, inhale, lift hand, extend arms. Exhale, place hand on ground. Saptadasha, inhale. Asto Dasha, Chatwari. Eko Nava, Vinsadi, inhale. Vinsadi, exhale. Supta Trivikramashana. Sapta, inhale, jump. Exhale, lay down on your back. Asto, inhale, lift right leg. Exhale, grab right big toe and pull to the right crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, lift right leg again. Exhale, lower down flat on your back. Dasa, inhale, lift left leg. Exhale, grab left big toe and pull to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ekadasha, inhale, lift right leg again. Exhale, lower down. Dwadasha, inhale, roll back, lift up, Chakrasana. Exhale, lower down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Panchadasha, inhale, jump forward. Swadasha, exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, lift head, straight spine. Exhale, Samastitihi. Digashana A. Ekam, inhale, lift arm over side. Dwa, exhale, forward down. Trini, inhale, lift right leg straight backward, extend arm forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, exhale, extend hands like wings to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale, come back position, hands again to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit. Exhale, right foot and hands again to the ground. Sapta, inhale, lift left leg straight backward, extend arms forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto, exhale, hand side like wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, Hands again to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale, right foot and hands again to the ground. Inhale, lift hand and stay on the ground. Exhale, come to standing in Samastiti. Uttita Trivikramashana. Ekam, inhale, lift right leg forward hand and grip with hands. Dve, exhale, pull right leg close to the body. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini, inhale, extend the arms again. Chatwari, exhale, place right foot down. Samastiti. Pancha, inhale, lift left leg forward and grab with hands. Set, exhale, pull left leg close to the body again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, inhale, extended arms again. Asto, exhale, place left foot down again. Samastiti. Natarajasana. Ekam, inhale, lift right leg forward and grab with right hand. Dve, exhale, right leg to the side and then to the back. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini, inhale, arms forward. Exhale, lower right leg, arms and side to the body. Samastiti. Chatwari, inhale, lift left leg forward and grab with left hand. Pancha, exhale, left leg to the side and to the back. Inhale, lift foot behind the head again. Exhale, pull lift foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit, inhale, extend lift arms forward. Exhale, lower left legs, arm to the side body. Samastiti. Rajkapotasana. Ekam, inhale, lift arm over side. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, lift hand, extend back. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, lift chest and feet. Bring head and feet closer together. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set, inhale, roll onto of feet, open the chest, straight arms. Sapta, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekapada Rajkapotasana. Sapta, inhale, right leg with bend knee forward between arms. Asto, exhale, bend left knee, grab left foot with left hand. Inhale, grab foot with both hands, open chest. Exhale, pull foot to the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, inhale, lift head again. Exhale, place hand down to the ground. Dasha, inhale, lift right knee. Ekadasha, exhale, walk through backward and lower down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasha, inhale, extend arms, open chest. Triyodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, inhale. Panchadasha, exhale. Bend right knee. Grip right between the hands. Inhale. Hands go back, hold open chest. Exhale, pull foot to the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha, inhale, lift head again. Exhale, place hand down to the ground. Saptadasha, inhale, lift left knee. Stodasha, exhale, backward, lower down chaturanga. Ekanava Vimsadi, inhale. Vimsadi, exhale. Urdhva Dhanurasana, Saptajam. Lay down. Hasto, prepare. Bend your knee, hand back under your shoulder. Nava, inhale, rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale. Walk hand forward. Nava, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale, little in more. Again come. Last one. 1, 2, knee little close, come parallel. 3, 4, 5. Dasa up. Inhale, stand up. Samastiti. Drop back. Prayer position. Go back, inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, slowly come prayer pose. Samastiti. Second time. Inhale. Go back. Exhale. Inhale up. Come to prayer pose. Samastiti. Now last one, steady yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Any position as far as you can, please. 5 breathe. 1, 2, little knee straight. 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale, come to prayer position. Exhale, Samastiti. Paschimuttanasana. Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. 4, Chaturanga Dandasana. 5, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 7, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 7, jump through. Leg straight forward. Hasto, catch your wrist. Exhale, folding. 1, 2, 3, 4. relaxing your breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, head up. Exhale. Dasa lift up. Ekadasa jump back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasa inhale. Triyodasa exhale. Salamba Sarvangasana. Sapta jump through. Exhale, lay down flat. Asto inhale, lift your leg. 1, gives you 2, 3, 4, don't move your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halasana. Asto exhale. Lower your leg to point it. 1. Interlock your finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift your hip. 7. Palm together. 8. Karna Pidasana. Asto exhale. Bend your knees, cover your ear closer. Hand position same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Urdhva Padmasana. Lift your leg straight. Hold it into lotus. 1. Spine straight, elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pindasana. Now exhale, lower down. Catch your wrist or catch your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matsyasana. Now exhale, down your spine, drop your hip, catch your toe, keep your arms straight. 1, 2, kiss your nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thana Padasana. Nava inhale. Extend your leg. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. Dasa Chakrasana. Leg behind your head, rolling back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha inhale. Dwadasa exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, prepare headstand. 4 Sirsasana, headstand. Asto inhale, lift up your leg, get your leg to point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Half bend. Now exhale, lower the leg 90 degree, 2 point. 1, gaze your nose. 2, 3, 4, 5, keep your leg one place, don't move. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasha, inhale, starting position, leg up. Exhale, slowly lower down, sitting on your knee, and hip drop, comfortable your heel. Balasana, child pose, hand back. Ekadasha, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Dwadasha, inhale. Paryodasha, exhale. Baddha Padmasana, Sapta jump through, straight leg forward. Asto, take a lotus pose, Padmasana, right leg first, wrapping the arms, left leg. Yoga Mudra, now exhale, folding forward, gaze your nose, drop your head, and possible drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow inhale coming up. Palm place on your knee. Keep your Gyan Mudra position. Chin down, lower belly in. 1, 2, pelvis straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Utbuddhi. Now inhale, lift up, gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa, jump back. Dwadasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Trayodasha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Chaturdasha, L jump. Panchadasha, exhale. Shodasha, inhale. Samastiti. Lay down. Support your elbow. Relax completely. Thank you for your practice. Keep practicing, guys. See you soon with another lesson. Take care. Namaste.